Hey everyone, what is up? It is Kylie, so today I'm doing my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give a thumbs up. Let's get right on into the video. So yeah, this is what I wear like every day to school. I do wear like a full face of foundation every day to school. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So yeah, first thing I do is I put my hair back. So, yep. I cut my hair by the way too, so oh god, it's a little crazy, but it's fine. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is primer. I'm going to be using the Pore Freshener Primer by Benefit. I love this primer, it's so good. Okay, now it's time for foundation. I'm using the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I repurchased this, I love it, it's amazing. So yeah, it looks like your skin, it's literally amazing. I just put a little bit onto the back of my hands and I put it onto my face, and I'm using my beauty blender today. I finally got the real one, so yeah. I already did my skincare, like washed my face, moisturized, did all that stuff before this obviously. So yeah. This lighting is literally horrible. Oh my god, it's so bad. Guys, this lighting is so bad. It's like a weird kind of time of day. So this lighting is not super good. I have two mirrors. I have one right here and then one right here, so that's what I'm looking at if you guys are wondering. Also, comment if you guys like this background or not, because I don't know, I feel like it's kind of cool and like different. So yeah, not different, just like different. Also comment some videos you guys want to see for like spring and summer, because I have been filming so many videos, I've been trying to film more videos lately. So comment some videos you guys want to see for spring, because that is coming up and spring break is coming up. I'm actually planning to go to the beach. Okay, that is my foundation. Now we're gonna move on to concealer. Actually, I've not been like concealing imperfections on my face lately. I've just been doing under eye concealer, and I always switch off between what concealers I'm using on my under eyes, but lately I've really been liking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's really good and it's very natural, which I've been really liking lately. So yeah, and I feel like it gives just enough coverage to make you look awake and look very natural like your skin. So that's kind of what I like to do every day, is look like pretty natural. I could see your skin look quite better, even though I'm obviously wearing foundation, but it's still fine. I turned the lights on, so I turned the lights up a little bit more, so hopefully it's a little bit better. For my face, I use this Rodin & Fields powder. It's just this one. I don't really like it, it's kind of cakey, but it doesn't break me out, so that's kind of why I use it. So I'm using this brush from Lexi, if you guys are wondering. I just use it on my forehead because I crease really bad on my forehead. I would not wear powder because I feel like it makes everything look really cakey, but I crease really bad, so I kind of have to. This is like my natural everyday kind of makeup. I'm going to be taking this powder. It's L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable. I don't love this. I'm just trying to use it up because it's kind of old. I got it for Christmas like 2 years ago, I think. Okay, so that is my foundation and like what I do for my base makeup, I guess that's what people call it. I don't know. I'm working into my eyebrows now. I don't wear eyeshadow like every day, so I'm not going to show you guys my eyeshadow that I do every day, but I always switch it out. But I really like the Modern Renaissance palette and the Naked Basics. Those are like my two favorites right now, like my go-tos for eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyebrow kit in the shade Dark. Am I zoomed in? Like, I feel like I'm zoomed in. This is what it looks like. Yes, I hit pan on it. But I use the pomade and then I use a little bit of the powder. I don't really like powder on my eyebrows, but it's fine. What song have you guys been loving right now? Because I have been loving, like, I love throwback music. Like 2008 was literally the year for music. I've been loving God's Plan too. I know that's really like kind of cringy and like God's Plan is so basic, but it's really good. I like it a lot. I'm gonna use a spoolie and put that through them because I just like to make sure that they look as natural as possible. I'm gonna take Benefit Gaming Brow. This used to be like my holy grail, but I don't really like it that much anymore. I'm kind of just using it to use it up. So now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the Cella eyebrow defining gel in the shade Clear. Okay, my eyebrows are done. Now it's time for mascara. I always switch up what mascara I use. I always usually use 2 though. So here are the some I've been loving lately. Here are the 4 that I've been loving lately. The first one is the Maybelline New York, the Rock Volume Stress Waterproof. The Mega Plush Volume Stress Waterproof, which I literally loved this mascara for like 4 years now. The Pixie by Petra Black Lacquer Lash Primer. The CoverGirl Total Tease. So today I think I'm going to use these 2. Yeah, I go very natural with this one, and then I go a little bit crazier with the CoverGirl one. So I put this on my bottom and top lashes, and then I just put the CoverGirl one on my top lashes. So okay, then I'm gonna take the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. Okay, I'm using this makeup remover. It's makeup remover. I just put it in this like travel bottle, but it's from Neutrogena. So now let's actually do it without failing, hopefully. I used to hate this mascara when I first got it, and now I love it. Okay, so the last thing is, if I have extra time in the morning, I will wear highlighter. I love how highlighter looks, and I have extra time right now. So my favorite highlighter lately has been the Mary Lou-Nizer. I always switch, but it's usually kind of like a goldish colored highlighter, kind of like a champagne. No, it's usually this sort of tone. Like before, I liked the Essence one, which is kind of the same tone, but this is a little bit more like glittery, I feel like. So yeah, so I'm gonna apply this. I'm just gonna straighten my hair now, and then we'll be done. I know this isn't makeup, but it's fine. Okay, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is my everyday makeup routine for school, the weekends, whenever. This is usually what I wear to school. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to comment some videos that you guys want to see down below from me, and anything else. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Make sure to check out my last video also, which was a makeup starter kit. So yeah, bye guys.